being...
What's going on, everybody? Charlie with Derby City
Something.
Card Bricks. Back again. We're going to be ripping into this Mosaic 3-boxer. We have an Origins. Actually, it's probably ending in the next hour or so. Origins on our website. Check that out. Or not on our website, on our eBay, sorry. But we're going to go ahead and get into this. Appreciate everybody hopping in on this one. And sorry about the confusion a little bit earlier. We appreciate you, Anthony R., for understanding, you know. Good luck to everybody. Let's get right into it. Like I said, we'll do something for you, Anthony. Let's pull some more heat. Empty box there. Maybe. There we go. Yeah, this needs to be way over here.
A bit better.
Yeah. All right. Sorry, getting the lighting together. All right.
That's better.
Yeah, it looks a little bit better. Just need some sleeveys. All right, first up, got Carlos Hyde silver going out to the Houston Texans. And then I'll put these in here and you just top load them.
Yeah. Good looking card.
Yep. Nice silver.
Product.
Oh, yeah, me too. Nice. Going out to the Baltimore Ravens, J.K. Dobbins. It's our second one of these, I think. Pretty nice one there. Baltimore Ravens.
I like Carlos. I like Carlos a little bit more whenever you play for Sanford, though.
There you go. Got a red Mosaic, numbered to 80, 35 of 80, Danielle Hunter. Going out to the Minnesota Vikings on this one. Pretty nice one there. Yeah, you got the other one. Yeah, I remember you got, the Ravens in the other one. And I can't believe we pulled 2 J.K. Dobbins autos in 5 boxes. Nice Danielle Hunter. Red Mosaic. Going out to the Buffalo Bills Hall of Fame, Jim Kelly. That's numbered 40 of 80. Pretty nice one there.
Nice signature on this Dobbins he's pulled here, too.
What's that? Oh, the JK?
Yep. Nice signature.
Yep. Pretty nice stuff all around. Myles Garrett, Cleveland Browns. Red Mosaic. 56 of 80. Pretty nice one there. Going out to Cleveland Browns. All right. Got our green and reds. Denzel Mims, New York Jets, rookie. Very nice one there. Wide receiver for the Jets. Next up, for the Atlanta Falcons, A.J. Terrell, green and red. Going to the Falcons. Nice one there. I got T.J. Watt, Pro Bowl Mosaic. Very nice. Going out to the Pittsburgh Steelers on that one. All right, that's the first box. We'll hop into this next one. Empty box there. Ooh, very nice on the top. Watching him right now. Silver Lamar Jackson. Going out to the Baltimore Ravens. Very nice. Next up, going on to the Washington football team. Antonio Gandy Golden. Red Mosaic autograph, non-numbered. Going out to Washington on that one. Next up, pretty cool one here.
Awesome.
Jeff Saturday, Indianapolis Colts, red Mosaic. 44 of 80. Jeff Saturday.
One of my faves, man. Love
Jeff Saturday. Yeah, me too.
Love Jeff.
I dropped the damn. Oh well. The sleeve went down there somewhere.
I'm glad he retired as a Colt, you know.
Yeah. Pretty nice one there. Ooh, this guy's been killing it recently. Going out to the Seattle Seahawks. DK Metcalf, second year card. 76 of 80, red Mosaic.
I bet he wish he'd have that touchdown back, though.
Yeah. Nice one there. Nice red Mosaic. Henry Ruggs going out to the Las Vegas Raiders on this one. We've got the Las Vegas Raiders in this one. Chris G. That's going to be numbered 31 of 80. Henry Ruggs. That's pretty nice. Nice card. All right, how about another Raider? Brian Edwards, green and red Mosaic. Going out to the Las Vegas Raiders again. Up next, Tua, green and red. Rookie true. Nice one there going out to the Dolphins. Dolphins and Javier C. Congrats on that one, Javier. Nice Tua. I guess these are called green and red tricolors. Pretty cool cards. I like them. They're non-numbered. Nice Tua.
Yeah. He's got to start soon, I think.
Yep. And Pittsburgh Steelers Mosaic, Jerome Bettis, the bus. Mosaic, pretty nice one. All right, headed to our last box of this break. Like I said, check out our website. We got not Mosaic. I wish we had more Mosaic. We have Origins football on our eBay right now. Empty box. I think they're going to be ending in the next hour or so. A couple hours, actually.
Yep.
And we were supposed to break it today, but FedEx dropped the ball and didn't. The shipment did not come in, so the auctions will be ending today, but we're going to have to more than likely open it tomorrow. Most likely tomorrow or Tuesday. Not real sure at this point yet. Nice one here. Silver for the Green Bay Packers, Davante Adams. Nice Davante. Nice. Another Henry Ruggs going out to the Las Vegas Raiders. Henry Ruggs, red, rookie Mosaic autograph. Pretty nice one here. Khalil Mack, red Mosaic, 41 of 80. Khalil Mack. Very nice. Going out the Chicago Bears on that one. Ooh. Going out to the Miami Dolphins, Ricky Williams, red Mosaic. 75 of 80. Ricky Williams. Pretty nice one here. Chase Young, red Mosaic. NFL debut, 61 of 80. I think he's out today, right? Pretty sure.
I had to look.
I think he's out. Almost positive.
With what?
I think groin. I think he said groin injury. I think they said. Nice one there. Chase Young. Going out to the Skins on that one. Nice coming up. Nice one coming up. We got a Stephon Gilmore Mosaic, New England Patriots. Pretty nice one there. And me a couple more sleeves. Nice for the Dallas Cowboys. Tricolor, red and green. CD Lamb. Going out to the Dallas Cowboys on this one. We got the Dallas Cowboys in this break. Dan T. Congrats to Dan T on this one. Nice hit. CD Lamb. And it was a Raiders break. Going out to Las Vegas Raiders, Lynn Bowden Jr. Tricolor, red and green. Nice cards. Uh-oh, as I dropped Lynn Bowden. Good thing we have this trusty mat here.
Silly.
Lynn Bowden Jr. All right, that's going to be it. Empty box here. It's our 3-box break of Mosaic Choice. Appreciate everybody hopping in on this one. Like I said, we have Origins ending on our eBay. Check it out. It's just Derby City Breaks on our is the eBay username. Those Origins should be ending in like I said, I think, isn't it? What time did you?
A couple hours.
Yeah, so like a couple hours on that. We were gonna break it today, but like I said, FedEx was supposed to ship it, or was supposed to get it to us on Friday, but they did not. So, kind of sucks, but we will rip into it more than likely Monday whenever it comes in. I guess we'll try to email everybody, or message everybody that gets a spot in the break.
Yep.
We'll probably just do that. We'll probably just message everybody in their eBay inbox.
One thing we got to be better about too.
Yeah. We'll message everybody and let them know when we're going to be breaking it, stuff like that, so they can hang out in the live stream. But like I said, appreciate everybody hopping in this one, and see you next time. Peace.